Hello kids. It's your mom here. I just want to share what happened today. So, today is January 12, 2026, and today was the first day for the orientation for the second term. And so, we have four classes today. So, fundamental of physics was moved that is supposedly tomorrow pa talaga. Pero, na-move siya ngayon. So, masaya. Masaya ako kasi yung mga professors ko na na-meet ngayon is they seem kind and very approachable and very, considerate with their students. It seems that they are the kind of prof na magiging komportable ako, and at the same time hindi ako kakabahan ng masyado kasi ayun nga, hindi naman sila ganun ka-terror kagaya nung naging prof ko during the first term. Hindi ko nababanggitin kung sino yung professor na yon, pero it's really great na after nung challenging moment ko ng first term is napalitan naman na ng mga professor na pakiramdam ko magiging komportable ako, at sanang hindi yun magbabago until the end of this term. Kasi I'm really trying my best not to give up, and I'm really trying my best to be better and ma-survive tong term na to. Na-survive ko naman yung first term, pero ayun nga, unfortunately, ayan, syempre araw-araw pa rin ako minumulto nun, araw-araw ko pa rin tinatanong yung sarili ko what I've done, and sobrang masakit pa rin sa akin yun until now, but I always reminded by that so that hindi ko na rin maulit yung mga nagawa kong pagkakamali, yung mga mistakes ko, and by that I can be better. And yeah, I'm looking forward to be better, of course. So that's all. I really hope and pray that ANAFE, Fundamental of Physics, as well as Astronomy, sige, sama na natin yung Prof. Ed 8 at saka Prof. Ed 6 na maging bearable for me, and hindi ko muna ma-hit yung rock bottom ko ngayong term 2 kasi may term 3 pa, and possible na mas challenging ulit yung mga courses ko as months pass by and as year pass by, especially at kailangan ko pang i-retake ulit yung inorganic chem, and I'm really looking forward na ayun, masanay na akong magbasa, mag-review, mag-aral, at the same time I can find my, I can finally find the best way how to study on my own, like really on my own, without much help from AIs like that, or yeah, it's very helpful, but at the same time I don't want to rely much on AIs kasi natutunan ako, isa rin yun sa mga pagkakamali ko during my first term na pati yung mga problem sets ini-AI ko. So, this time, sa fundamental of physics, I hope that I can learn on my own and practice on my own and do it on my own so that I can be a great teacher in the future. Science teacher. So that's it for my update today, and I hope that magtuloy-tuloy na to.